Hey everybody, there's a lot of new subscribers here. I want to say welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you all are here to go on these Dollar Tree bargain hunting journeys with me. So I have a few things from Dollar Tree that did not make the last video because I ran out of time. I want to add some of those in, and then I went to a store today and I found some cool things, and I also want to swing back around and show some of the cooler finds, maybe show them a little longer or show them again. This is really awkward. I've never worn glasses before in a video. Anyway, come on with me. Let's go find some cool stuff at Dollar Tree. See you all in the comments. Oh, look at these. Oh, these feel good. Oh, the pineapple. Those are very nice. So cute. And then there's the owls. I saw those last week. So we have shea butter and lip gloss. And I saw these last week. I don't know if they made it in the video because I was running out of time. Look at this, a little pineapple drawstring bag. This would be so great in your purse. I like to keep stuff in my purse like in little bags, and then if I ever need to switch purses, I can just switch the bags. Very cute. I have stopped myself on these because they're all so cute. I'll buy every one if I don't stop it. Oh, cool. What are these? That's pretty crazy that they planted succulents in this. I don't know. I don't know what I think about these. I don't know if they're like more for a kid. I do have a lot of succulents, but if I started hanging succulents on the wall, I don't know. This is a pretty cool find though. I love it when Dollar Tree brings out more decor. I have just stumbled upon some decor pieces and I'm like, oh my goodness, what is this? It has a hole in the top, so I'm like, is it a vase? It could be. Is it a pencil holder? It could be that too. Pretty cool, pretty funky. I don't know, a few like flowers in here would be really cute because it would look like flowers growing on the cactus. So that's pretty awesome. You know I love Dollar Tree's books. I cannot get enough of these. I love how it's so simple and chic. These are the jam, you guys. How cool are they? I just found these hiding here on this end cap. I am in love. These are so chic, and these in little jars would be so cute on your desk. I mean, I have got to have these. And these push pins. Love these. Joanna Gaines charges like $8 for a little jar of these in this color. So I am pumped. I can't remember if I told you this before, but for my baby shower, my mom made like a blue punch in a really nice punch bowl and then put these to float around in it, and it was super duper cute. So keep that in mind if you ever need to throw a baby shower. This is sweet. I love how simple it is. What else? They had, oh, this This is new. Take your time, like time. 2 sizes. I guess they do that every year, right? Here's the small one. I wonder what happens when you put the small one in the big one. What does that look like? Makes it really full. I need to think about this for a minute. And then they've had pine cones, 3 for $1. I don't know what a good value that is. I actually have some from Michael's, so I don't need any more. I never pick up these lights, but I think I want to get them this time. Oh my goodness. The old school bulbs, so cute. And then these are circles, spheres to be exact. I don't know why these are on the floor. Is anyone gonna pick up these big balls? Oh, these are the glittery ones, and they're not super big. They're just kind of big. That one's cool. Oh my goodness. I think I saw some of these the other day on my last Come Shop With Me, but I don't think I saw this one. He is so adorable. How cute are these? Oh my goodness, I can't get over the snowman. And these are just basic. I think I saw these. Oh yeah, I remember seeing that. Super cute, you guys. I can't get over the snowman. What do we do with this? Like, I feel like there should be a cork right here or something. I don't know what we're supposed to do with this. You guys, there are so many people in this store, and they're all looking at me. Like, what is she doing? What in the world? This is cool. Those aren't gonna last long.
Is she gonna put on the cars? She's gonna take care of the cars, the truck, the ice cream, and the snacks that she wants. Any decorations and
So I found these little retro trees on my last Come Shop With Me 2 days ago, and I wanted to show you them once I got them home and turn them on. How cool are they? I am so obsessed. I showed these on Instagram, so if you have Instagram, go follow me at Lifestyle Lens. Also, you can find me on Facebook. I have a Facebook page called Lifestyle Lens as well, so go check that out. I had to show you how cool these look, all lit up. Lastly, I'm going to show you these boxes. Let's check them out. Oh, I hadn't seen this shape. Maybe I have. It's very pretty. And then I showed you guys these little mailboxes. So they have them in the tin and this, which this is the one I've showed you. Look at this big one. I don't know if I saw this big one. That's pretty neat. Oh, look, here's those clear boxes I was seeing before. Oh, this stuff is gonna sell out quick, you guys. See, this store is so big, so it gets a lot of things in. But like the smaller stores, really nice. Look at this little box. Super cute. All right, you guys, I'm signing off. I hope you had fun shopping with me. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one, guys.